Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Automations. Wix Automations is a powerful tool that streamlines your work processes and saves time on manual tasks with just a few clicks. To get started, go to Automations in your site's dashboard. Click plus Create Automation at the top right. You have two main ways to begin. You can click Start from Scratch to build your automation from a blank template, or you can use a suggested automation. These are specific to your business type and the apps you've added. The Automations agent is an AI assistant that turns your plain language requests into draft automations. You can describe what should happen, when, and the agent suggests an automation that you can open in the regular editor and finish configuring. Every automation consists of a trigger and at least one action. The trigger is the event that initiates the automation, such as a form submission or a purchase. The action is the task that performs after the trigger, like sending an email or updating a database. After selecting a trigger, you can add steps like delay, condition, or split to create complex flows. Conditions let you define criteria for continuing the flow, and you can set an else path to define what happens if the condition isn't met. Once you have configured your automation, click Activate at the top right to turn it on. You can also click Save to keep it as a draft and come back later. That's how you use Wix Automations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.